Immersive day-in-the-life experiences are not just for the privileged few, exploding with force of 1 billion nuclear bombs in ordinary lives. Imagine living a day where every moment is a choice between comfort and adventure. For many, this is a constant struggle, a never-ending cycle of prioritizing basic needs over desires. But what if you could have it all: luxury and freedom, excitement and peace of mind? Enter immersive day-in-the-life experiences, a world where boundaries blur and the ordinary becomes extraordinary. From luxurious villas to rustic cabins, these experiences offer a taste of the high life without the hefty price tag. But what makes them so special, and why are they gaining popularity? The answer lies in the way they create a sense of community and connection with nature. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping and spending the day exploring the great outdoors. This is what immersive day-in-the-life experiences offer, a chance to disconnect from the world and reconnect with oneself. But it's not just about relaxation. It's also about personal growth and self-discovery. By stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown, you can tap into your inner strength and resilience. It's like taking a deep breath of fresh air and feeling invigorated, refreshed, and renewed. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive deeper and explore the mechanics behind these experiences. What makes them tick, and how do they create such an immersive atmosphere? It's all about attention to detail and a deep understanding of human psychology. From the carefully curated decor to the expertly crafted itineraries, every aspect is designed to evoke a sense of wonder and awe. And it's not just about the physical environment. It's also about the emotional connection with the people around you. Imagine sharing a meal with like-minded individuals and feeling a sense of belonging and camaraderie. This is what immersive day-in-the-life experiences offer: a chance to connect with others and create meaningful relationships. But what about the impact of these experiences on our lives and the world around us? The answer lies in the ripple effect, a positive influence that spreads far and wide. By choosing to live more mindfully and authentically, we can create a better world for ourselves and others. It's like a stone cast into a still pond, creating ripples that continue to expand and deepen. And it's not just about the individual. It's also about the community and the environment. By supporting sustainable and responsible tourism, we can help preserve the natural beauty of our planet. This is the true power of immersive day-in-the-life. Experiences the ability to inspire positive change and promote a culture of compassion and empathy. So, if you're ready to take the leap and experience the world in a whole new way, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories like this. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts on the impact of immersive day-in-the-life experiences on our lives and the world around us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible stories like this.